Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just bought this aspirator, this car aspirator. We call it aspirator in Italian language because I live in Italy. So this car aspirator, I bought it from Chinese shop this afternoon, and I plugged it and I tested it immediately, and it was not working. It was not working in the sense that the motor is not turning well together with the fan, because the motor has plastic round the edge that when you connect this fan, if the motor is turning, it will now be steady to turn very fast together with the motor. But unfortunately in this case, the fan is not well hooked to the motor. So if you on it, the fan will be like turning very slowly because there's no attachment. So now I just opened it and I realized that it was not attached together. Let me show. I just bought it newly. See the mount is being coupled like this. No, it's being coupled like this. I will show you all of them later. So I just loosed it. See the wire. See the mount where you have to plug it in your car. Normally where we light cigarettes, though I don't smoke, but it's where we normally light cigarettes in the car. So I just opened it and I now saw that it's not well fixed, as I said earlier. Now I have to repair it by adding this gum, this rubber, maybe like using super glue, very strong gum, and attach it together with this at the back. And if I go down to my car, I will test it and I will show you guys whether it's working or not. So let's do it together. So luckily I bought this super glue from the Chinese shop to do other things, but I have to use from it now to repair the aspirator. Let's open it. Then yeah, I think I have to open a little like this. Close it very well. Then open the end here. This one already has opened. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to remove this gum, add small, I put it too much. Okay, I wanted to put small, but it now became too much, but there's no problem. So I added the gum here, and I have to let it to cook. Maybe I should pull it out by the side. Allow it for before adding this gum, I'm going to attach small sellotape to this pin before applying this part. So let me try attaching the small sellotape. I have to close it so that it will not block. So I've got my sellotape. Let me remove the dust edge and try to put a new one. And allow it to block very well. Also, I have to apply at the front to make sure that it's well tight. Yeah, allow it to block. Okay, now I think it's good to go. So if you look very well, you see that if you turn the fan, the spin, I don't know if you can see it very well, the spin will be turning together with the fan. Unlike before, that only the spin will be turning because the hole to the fan was too wide, so the fan was not turning. But now if the fan is turning, the spin is turning. If the spin is turning, the fan is turning. So right now I have to couple it very well the way I just bought it now this afternoon and go to my car to test it. This is car aspirator to remove some dust from your car seat. So let me couple it very well the way I bought it. So here, he has a kind of food. put the switch. This is the switch to the aspirator. You can see the white button, the on off, on and off button. So I have to put it. Hook them together. So as you can see, I've tried to couple it a little. This one is the hook that I was telling you for the dust container that you put like this and it will just block it. But before adding this one, before adding the dust container, I have to first of all put the 4 screws. These 4 screws to be able to put the motor together so that it will not tear apart. So I've added the screws. So I'll just finish adding the screws and the putting to the end. Right now I have to put the dust container by raising this place a little. Okay. So now it's good to go. It's good to go. My aspirator is ready again. So I just bought it this afternoon as I said earlier on, and it's not working, but I have to open it and see if I can repair it myself, because I bought it from Chinese shop. If you take it back to them, they might not be able to change it because I've opened the carton already. I've opened the carton. The carton is no more good. So follow me, let's go to the car and test it and see whether it's working at all. See the name before I forget. Auto Top, Italy Auto Top, car vacuum cleaner. Can you see it very well? Car vacuum cleaner. So let's go and test it in the car. So let's go to the car and see if we can, if it's working at all. So right now I'm going to plug it here where people that smoke normally write their cigarette. So I'm going to plug it and test if it's working. Okay, let's go. So here you have to insert it like this. Yeah. I've inserted it. Then I have to put it on. Maybe it's not connected very okay. So as you can see, the connector is not what I say. So it's not hooking very well. So I've done it now. Then right now I can assure you guys it draws very well. So for example, my car is ready. Let's see if we can clean up anything here. I'll show you guys that now it's working. So see this motor, for example, it's okay. You can see these two little dots. Okay guys, so I'm now happy. You can see my car aspirator that I just bought this afternoon that wasn't working because the fan was not turning very well because of it was not well hooked. So now I've repaired it and it's working. So thank you very much for watching.